January 27th, 7:15. Snowmageddon, they called it. Storm Juno. It's about 27 degrees. The only one having fun is Rocky. It's 7:30, January 27th, around 27 degrees, Pelham Parkway. There are no cars because the streets are closed. There's no subway. There's no buses. However, there's power for the bus stations. There's only about 6 inches of snow and not the multitude of inches they promised us. Rocky seems to enjoy the cold weather. There are plenty of snow drifts and icicles all over. Just a real good day to stay in bed. If you don't have a dog, that would have been ideal. Pelham Parkway is covered with snow. No traffic whatsoever. And it looks like I'm the first one here.